Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share, and also make a comment. So, we will take a look at Euro GBP for the next day, which is for the 13th. So, you will see for some times now, if you take a look at your Euro PS, we see that we're having a bullish move on Euro PS, especially when you go to your, Euro index. You can see this Euro index. You can see that this is actually an uptrend move. The pullback on this our Euro is actually over, right? You can see that a pullback has been made in that first, movement here. A pullback has been made, which is now over, and now we are now on a bullish move. That is to tell you that a new ice has now been formed on this our euro. You can see that this new ice has taken out this our previous ice. So more bullish move is to come on our euro PS basically. So we will be expecting such movements on this euro GBP. And if you take a look at this movement, you see that there would be news that will be released on GBP, and I think it will come out well, thereby making our GBP to drop. If in case the news does not come out well, I'm just letting you to know. If in case the news that will be released tomorrow, which is for the 13th, if it won't come out well, right, we will see our GBP drop. So any other things we'll be trading to GBP should give us a bullish move. So if that GBP to drop, and of course Euro is actually giving us an uptrend move, it will make sense for us to actually take the bullish move on, take a buy on Euro GBP. So I would be watching out for a bullish move, and I think we should actually watch out for such movements. So if in case you have to take out this level, right? Let's see if you have to take out this level. So it will be something like this on this Euro GBP, something like an higher highs, a pullback at this level, a new highs. You see this new highs that took out this previous highs, and you can consider this to be a pullback. Now a new highs is being formed here. You can see that this new highs, a candlestick wick, is sticking at the top. You can see it has taken out this previous highs. So that is to tell you that more bullish move is to come on this Euro GBP. So that is exactly what I'm seeing. So more uptrend move, highs to be, to come on this Euro GBP. So let's see how that price will play out, and let's see what this forward time frame is actually saying. So you can see the forward time frame is also giving us an higher highs and higher lows, right? And you can see that this highs here has actually been broken. So it makes sense for us to actually go ahead and go long on this Euro GBP. So we'll be watching out for a bullish move on Euro GBP.